हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइज। एंड हाउ आर यू गाइज डूइंग? आई होप आप और आपकी फैमिली सब लोग सेफ हो इन दिस बेकार काइंड ऑफ पेंडेमिक, बट वट एवर it is important to stay positive, so I hope every one of you guys are positive. So yeah, for you and for your entertainment मैं आपके लिए आज अपनी स्लाइम्स लेके आ गई हूँ। एंड या टुडे स्लाइम इज नो बोरॉक्स स्लाइम। सो मैंने पिछले 2-3 वीक से ओनली नो ग्लू नो बोरॉक्स रेसिपीज पोस्ट की। तो सम पीपल वर सेइंग क्या हो गया, आपका ग्लू खत्म हो गया क्या, बोरॉक्स खत्म हो गया, क्या बना रहे हो, नो ग्लू नो बोरॉक्स, डोंट डू दिस काइंड ऑफ रेसिपीज। एंड आई वाज लाइक लिटरली so shocked. Like 99% of you guys always beg me to like make no glue no borax recipe, and this person is telling me to not do that. So I was like, okay, let's just change for 1 week, and अगले week से मैं आपके लिए फिर से no glue no borax recipes लेके आऊंगी. So this week जो हमारी slime recipe है वो है from Colgate. So हम लोग आज देखने वाले हैं the different kind of Colgate slime recipes with Fevicol that are seen on the internet, or let's see if those actually work or not. So without talking much, let's get started with our video. Just a little bit of reminder. मैंने recently अपना profile pic and the channel art I have like styled it myself, और मैंने अभी ये change किया है. And you guys let me know how this looks. I am really impressed by my skills. It is pretty much improved. जो पहले था वो kind of boring था, not gonna lie, but this is like super colorful and super nice. So let me know in the comments if you guys really like it or not. And a very big reminder, if your subscribe button looks like this, then make sure you make this red button into gray button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to all so that you guys don't miss any of my further uploads. And now without talking much, let's see this slime video. So we are making this slime, how to make slime with Fevicol and Colgate toothpaste at home. So yeah, let's see how can we make that. And so let's see how they are actually making the slime recipe. So they are taking Fevicol. Okay, that is going to work. Slimes are made of Fevicol, so yeah, that is nice. And the next ingredient is color. Okay, whatever color you like guys, it doesn't matter. They are adding green, then they are mixing it, then they are adding even more color. Okay, then they are adding Colgate toothpaste. That's a lot, but anyways, Colgate has like baking soda which helps in the activation process, I guess, but I don't know about the sugar in that, because sugar काफी ज़्यादा हमारे slime को melt कर देता है. Okay, so they are taking they are taking detergent plus water kind of activator combination. So they took Ariel here. Okay, so they're making that. Okay, the next step, they're activating it. Okay, so it is looking like it is actually activating. Okay, they are activating. So guys, it does look like a real detergent slime, and I'll give them that, but let's see if this actually works or not, if this is just a trap or this is a borax slime like that. So yeah, let's see and let's make the slime now. So fantastics, here is our first ingredient, which is Fevicol. If you guys don't know where is Fevicol available, it is actually available at Amazon. You guys can buy it from there. So here is our glue. I am actually using quite a lot of my Fevicol, so if this doesn't work, I am actually going to be so mad. But anyways, let's see. I think I have a little bit of hope in that. But anyways, so the next step is to add food coloring. Let's add this blue food coloring. I haven't made a blue slime in a while, so let's mix. I think it is going to be super satisfying. So let's see. Let's mix now. I have done nail art after so long. It looks like so pretty, but yeah, the tutorial will be up on my channel really soon. So yeah, let's mix. Now this is Colgate, and now let's add a little bit of Colgate in here. I think this is enough. It is like kind of too much, but anyways, let's add and let's mix our Colgate. It smells like Colgate over here. Oh my god. Now let's make our detergent activator. So we are going to take a cup and a spoon, and the detergent that I am using today is Tide. It doesn't matter which detergent you use, guys, it's alright. So I am going to take this much since I am not making too much slime today, and I am going to add water in it. Make sure you guys have salt in it as well, because then it is going to work. I think Tide has salt in its ingredients, so I'm not going to add, but yeah, let's add water. You guys can add cold or warm water, it doesn't matter. And yeah, let's just mix it. And yeah, you need to mix it super well, guys, otherwise it's not going to work. So fantastic. Now that our solution is ready, let's mix it into our slime, which is over here. Let's see, let's mix it really well. So फैंटास्टिक्स, जब आप लोग डिटर्जेंट से एक्टिवेट अपनी स्लाइम करते हो तो उसमें से काफी सारा वाटर निकलता है. सो जब वो वाटर अलग होना स्टार्ट हो जाए तो आप डरिए मत, आपकी स्लाइम खराब नहीं हुई है. बस आप उसको अच्छे से वाटर को छान लीजिए, ऐसे ऐसे करके छान लीजिए और उसको अच्छे से नील कर दीजिए, और उसके बाद स्लाइम अच्छे से बन जाएगी. सो डोंट टेक टेंशन इफ इट रिलीजेस अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वाटर. सो नाउ लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट एक्टिवेटिंग आवर स्लाइम. As you guys can see, it is started activating a little bit. So fantastic. It is actually a bit difficult to activate. I think it is because of the Colgate, you know. It has a lot of sugar, that's why it is melting. So I think आप लोग try करके देखो. I don't think this is a very good slime recipe. I would suggest कि आप उसमें Colgate add मत करो. आप only glue और डिटर्जेंट से स्लाइम बना के देखो. ऑल्सो लेट मी नो कि अगर आपकी स्लाइम बनती है या नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज रियली डिफिकल्ट. मैं इसको बहुत देर से बना रही हूँ, एंड यू गाइस कैन सी इट्स ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल टू लाइक फॉर्म. सो या लेट मी नो, और प्लीज ट्राई कीजिए विथ कोलगेट एज वेल, और फिर मेरे को बताइए कोलगेट से बन रही है या नहीं. सो या गाइस, दैट्स दैट. एंड नाउ लेट्स जस्ट नील्ड इट, और इसको मैं अच्छे से एक्टिवेट कर लूंगी अभी 1 सेकेंड में. सो फैंटास्टिक्स, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू नील्ड इट. तो उसको नील करने के लिए आप अपने हाथों में पहले से थोड़ा सा लोशन ले लीजिए, एंड आफ्टर दैट टेक सम लोशन एंड रब इट इन योर हैंड्स. सो आपके हाथों में जो स्लाइम है जिसको हम लोग नील करने वाले हैं वो ज्यादा चिपके ना, एंड मेक श्योर द सरफेस दैट यू आर प्लेइंग योर स्लाइम विथ इज क्लीन. So I am going to take this wipe and clean it out. It is pretty clean, to be honest. I always clean my setup before filming. So as you can see, it is really clean. Now that my hands are also ready, let's take this So this is the slime. It is not really activated. It is activated, but हमें इसको थोड़ा सा नील करना पड़ेगा. So let's see. It is not sticking to my hand at all, but you guys can see it is not fully activated. तो हम अपनी surface पे इसको डाल लेंगे और इसको अच्छे से नील कर लेंगे. We need to knead it a lot because it has so many clumps like this, so we need to like seriously just knead it super nicely. So as you guys can see, the slime is like super nice, and I really didn't want to make this video like 17 minutes long, so this is a very short type of video. I hope you guys really like this video. The slime turned out super great, and it is like super nice. This is how it looks. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you guys are not. And that's all, fantastic. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.